OnePlus 60 launched October 2018. After more than 2.5 years, this phone is still worth it in 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Welcome back. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone using Gorilla Glass 6 on the front with glass back and aluminum frame. The smartphone comes with 6.41-inch optical AMOLED display with resolution 1080 into 2340 pixel with 402 ppi density. And this is 85.6 skin to body ratio. So overall OnePlus 60 display is excellent. In 2021, the smartphone running Android 10, and next week all of you guys get new software update is Android 11. OnePlus 60 using chipset Snapdragon 845, CPU using octa-core 4x2.8 GHz or GPU using Adreno 630. And this is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant with UFS 2.1. So now talk about the phone performance. Almost 2.5 years using, the smartphone performance is still pretty well. All the app opening and closing speed very fast. And at the same time you also use too many apps in the background. And you can play any types of game in a very high graphics and max frame rate. So let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with dual camera setup. First one 16 megapixel main lens with 1.7 aperture and second one 20 megapixel with 1.7 aperture with dual LED flash. 60 comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. OnePlus 60 you can record main camera highest 4K 60 fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60 and 120 fps slow-mo video, and you also record 720p 240 fps slow-mo video. So overall OnePlus 60 video quality is excellent. OnePlus 60 picture quality also very good. You can take a very good picture in a daylight and also night. And the picture quality is excellent. All the images you can get details and sharpness. So now talk about the security. The smartphone you can get in-display fingerprint and face unlock. Both one very fast and secure. 60 powered by 3700 mAh battery with 20 watt fast charger. If you are not heavy user, you can get almost 1 day battery backup. So the question is, in 2021, OnePlus 60 is still worth it and what or not? Definitely, OnePlus 60 definitely worth it in 2021. Because OnePlus 60 offer you Super AMOLED display, good level camera and excellent performance. So overall OnePlus 60 is still worth it in 2021. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in some other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.